My name is Andrea Burke, and I'm a second-year graduate student at the Joint Program at WHOI Oceanographic Institution, pursuing my PhD. I'm in the Geology and Geophysics department, but I study paleoclimatology and paleoceanography primarily. It's the study of past climates of the Earth and using that knowledge to understand the present and the future. So looking back into time, looking at sediment records or ice cores, and trying to come up with a way to figure out what happened in the past based on chemical evidence. I'm going to be helping out a lot in the field, digging holes and collecting rock samples. We'll also be doing some mapping, taking pictures of the area, and then when we get back to Woods Hole, I'll be running some samples in the lab, and we'll be analyzing for cosmogenic isotopes to sort of look at, to understand sort of how long the surface has been exposed. In the joint program, they want you to do 2 generals projects, and they want them to be very different from what you're primarily studies. So this is a good second generals project for me, but I also really liked it because it has some climate implications. A lot of what we know about the past climate in Antarctica is based on dating things such as ice or ash flows that overlay ice and stuff like that, and that is all based on the assumption that there's not a lot of cryoturbation, which is just the churning up of the ground by frost and ice. And so by understanding cryoturbation, we can sort of understand these relationships and sort of come to a better understanding of what happened in Antarctica in the past in terms of climate. I love camping. I'm very excited. It should be an interesting experience. It'll definitely be one of the most challenging camping experiences I've ever had. We'll be in a tent, Scott tents. You can stand up in them. Well, it's going to be very cold. I think it'll be difficult to come back from the field and just sort of want to, relax and be warm, and it will be warmer, I guess, but it won't be cozy lodge living. I'm really looking forward to challenging myself and just being in a place that is really difficult to get to and sort of a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It'll be cool to see penguins, I imagine, and I imagine I'll meet some really great people down at the base station there. So I think that'll be a really great experience and just challenging, and I think I'll learn a lot about myself in the time.